Hello everyone, welcome to LoharTalk, and in this video I will discuss about modules. So in TypeScript, what we can do to make our code reusable, we can create modules. Means for the reusable code, we can export it and we can import it in any other TypeScript file so that we can reuse that code. Suppose you have created this person class and you want to reuse it in another file, so we can do through this module. So what we can do, we can export this person and we can import it in another TypeScript file. So here I'm using my previous example. So here we have a person class, and it will get first name, last name and gender, and it will display it. And here in my folder I have this module.ts and one main.ts file. So right now main.ts file is empty. So here, to make this class available to other files, we use export keyword. So here export. Okay, so here I have exported the class. So below it, let's export one constant. So export const pi equal to 3.14. So likewise, you can export anything. You can export function, object, anything. So let's just try to access this in another file. So here I have a main.ts. So here I will use import and open brackets, and here I will write person, okay, from module. So here you can see we don't write .ts file, we just name the module name. Okay, now let's just try to access it. So let's declare one object of that person class. So let p equal to new person, and we'll pass f name comma l name comma gender. Okay, and we will try to display it, get information. And one more variable we have exported is a pi1. So to use this variable, we just need to mention the name over here. So comma pi. So let's just log it, console dot log pi. So here we will just pass the value. Okay, so let's just go to command prompt and compile this. So here tsc main.ts and node space main.js. So here you can see we are getting the person basic information and the pi value. Suppose you want to import all these variable at once, so you can use a star. So here I will write import star as, and you can provide any variable name. Suppose I provide just m. So to use a person class, we need m dot, and to use a pi, we will write m dot pi. So likewise, you can create a reusable code. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope guys you like my video, and if you guys have any doubt, please comment below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.